Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from fresh cow milk. First, you will need fresh cow milk, a good starter culture, and some basic kitchen equipment. Begin by heating your milk slowly to 180 degrees F or 82 degrees Celsius to pasteurize it. This step is crucial for killing any undesirable bacteria. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees F or 43 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal temperature for your culture. Once your milk reaches the correct temperature, gently stir in 2 tablespoons of a live yogurt culture. This introduces the beneficial bacteria that will transform your milk. Now, maintain a consistent temperature between 105 degrees F and 115 degrees F or 40 to 46 degrees Celsius for 4 to 8 hours. You can use a yogurt maker or an insulated container. The longer it ferments, the thicker and tangier your yogurt will be. After fermentation, move your yogurt to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This chilling process stops the fermentation and helps the yogurt set properly. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through cheesecloth for a few hours. Remember to store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. Now you have fresh, homemade yogurt ready to enjoy. Feel free to experiment with different types of milk, like whole milk for a creamier texture or skim milk for a lighter option. You can enhance its flavor by adding fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or some crunchy granola. It's a versatile and healthy addition to any meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic quality socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.